Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to make Airfoil and SolidWorks. First, you're going to go to your preferred Airfoil website. I'm going to be using Airfoil tools just because it's very easy to get your PDFs from here. So first, you're going to click on your Airfoil that you want. I clicked on Clark YH Airfoil. Then we're going to go to Send to Airfoil Plotter. You're going to click that, and then we're going to download the PDF. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. But what you guys want to do is go to PDF to PNG converter because we do need a PNG file. And after this, we'll just go over to SolidWorks. Now that we're in SolidWorks, we're just going to click on Parts and OK. Now that we're in New Parts, we're going to go to Sketch right over here. We're going to just pick front plane. Then we're going to go up to the search bar and just write Picture. Click on Sketch Picture. Then we're going to pick the file we chose. So I'm just going to open it. So your file or your picture should look like this. You can change the size and width and everything over here, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to keep it as that. Now we're going to go up to the spline tool up here. We're going to zoom in, and it's important for accuracy to plot as many points as possible. But for the sake of video, I'm not gonna be that accurate, so it's gonna look a little off. So yeah, just make sure for you guys to have more points than me, but that should be fine for the video. So at the end here, we're gonna double click so we end the line. And now we're just gonna zoom back up here and just start a new line right here. Just gonna continue this. And just as before, make sure to double click here. And that should be your sketch. We're going to click on the picture. Just delete that real quick. Boom. Now we're going to go to Features, Extrude, and let's just do that much. This 0.2 inches. It doesn't really matter for us. And that's your airfoil. Now we're going to go back to Sketch. We're going to click on the Spline tool again. Right there. And right there. There. Go. So yeah, that's what happens when you don't double click. But I'm gonna just click right here and I'm gonna trim that off. And let's just start a new spline. And we have our guideline. Let's click here for construction. And we're just gonna draw some simple supports. So whenever you're drawing your supports, you just want to follow this guide. It's better to have a midpoint than just to do it randomly blind. So let's just draw some circles. I'm not gonna do any designs. I'm just gonna do a couple simple circles. So like in a real airplane, it's where the wires will go through. It'll save a lot of weight, because having just like a solid piece would be kind of dumb. Just get these two, just connect these so it looks a little more pretty. Let's click the trim these. I'm not going to define them, but just so it looks like that. And then let's go to extrude cut. Click that. As that. Let's just put through all. Confirm. And boom, there's your simple airfoil. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you.